Hello everyone, I'm Noor and welcome to my YouTube channel where I review the latest releases in film and TV. And today, of course, we will be speaking about Breathe Into the Shadows, which is an Amazon Prime original show of 12 episodes long. I believe it's a season 2 following from an Amit Saad based show earlier. I haven't seen that, so I will be talking purely on this. I don't think you need to have seen that in order to watch this. In this show, Abhishek Bachchan and Nithya Menon are a married couple living in Delhi. Abhishek is a psychiatrist, Nithya is a chef. They have a 6-year-old daughter who gets kidnapped from her friend's birthday party. And then after about 9 or 10 months of her disappearance, the kidnapper asks for a very strange ransom from the couple. He asks them to start committing a series of very brutal, gruesome murders on people that he personally wants to take revenge on in order for them to get their daughter back. Now, the couple, in their wisdom, decides not to go to the police and actually starts committing the murders. Amit Saad is an angry cop who has just recently been transferred to Delhi after he had caused the accident of a girl living in Delhi, and he regrets that and he wants to make amends, so he comes here and he gets assigned this case and does the investigation. Abhishek Bachchan, in his role as a psychiatrist, also works with the police quite often, so he also gets involved with the case because he tries to, work from the inside to prevent suspicion coming on him. So there is a huge plot twist, which I'm obviously not going to talk about because that would be a huge spoiler. But I have to say that if anybody has read any amount of crime fiction or watched any amount of crime fiction, you saw it coming from the first episode. It was so evident to me whether if they were trying to make it a big plot twist, it was like total failure. 100 times better than this show is a show on Netflix called Alias Grace. Go watch that before you watch Breathe Into the Shadows. Trust me, you will not regret wasting your time. So the problem with Breathe Into the Shadows is that 1, it is extremely predictable. 2, it is extremely dramatic and makes no sense at all. There are extremely loose plot holes that don't tie up, that are just fake. You cannot believe that they would ever happen that way. The parents don't react like parents at all of actual 6-year-old children. Also amateur, Another problem is it is excessively slow. I mean, from 12 episodes, it could have easily been 6 or 8 episodes. The acting is okay. Everybody does a good job. They're seasoned actors. But, I feel like Abhishek Bachchan, even though he has a really good role, but he just seems like he's acting. He's not naturally in the role, if you know what I mean. The best person, I would say, is Amit Saad. He does a really good job of being that angry yet very good, honest cop. As for the women, there are plenty of women in the show, but none of them are strong characters. They all just blatantly get manipulated by their men in their lives, and I find that so strange. Perhaps the only slightly strong female character is Meghna, who's on a wheelchair because of an accident that Amit Saad, unfortunately had made happen. So I'm dressed like her today because, as you know, in this series I dress up as one of the characters from the show that I personally admire the most. Of course, I love wearing Indian clothes, and on Instagram, Noor Anand Chawla, again, there I will be breaking down my outfit details, so you can check me out there if you'd like to know more. The direction, I think, fails only because the writing failed. If there was a tighter, more sinister plot to work with, they could have done well. Indian cinema, there has not been much of this kind of genre explored, so maybe it will appeal to people for that reason. It is time pass entertainment at best. I would say Breathe Into the Shadows is not a good show, but it's not the worst show either. It is purely average, and so for that reason it gets 2.5 on 5 stars from me. If you have seen the show and you liked it, please let me know what you thought. And of course, on Instagram, I also have a free makeup giveaway running right now, which you may be interested in winning, worth 2,600 rupees. So don't forget to participate in that. I will see you next week. Please subscribe to my channel for more reviews. Bye.